Volvo Trucks is now introducing its most fuel-efficient long-haul solution to date, Volvo FH with iSave. Running a successful haulage company means handling rising numbers of deliveries, tighter margins, while striving for minimal environmental impact. Fuel efficiency is crucial. Volvo FH with iSave combines several features to provide high productivity and cuts fuel costs by up to 7%. At its core is the new, powerful D13TC engine with turbo compound technology. A new wave-shaped piston makes every burn more concentrated and efficient. Excess heat and pressure are then recovered and reused by the turbo compound unit, providing 300 Nm extra torque, enabling an increased average speed without using more fuel. The result is a truck tailor-made for long distances, delivering the productivity and efficiency that today's industry demands.